Now, as you can see, we have Rusty here on the tracks. And John was wondering what kind of whistle this Rusty makes. Well, with this model, this is what his whistle sounds like. I love that whistle, so loud. That's basically the whistle this Rusty makes. It's supposed to be accurate to the actual engine it's based on, and if it's in, I don't know if it's accurate or not. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's actually a good whistle. I honestly kind of like it. Nobody can do it like a steam train. Seriously, look at this baby go! S3Sounds.mp4!